Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Honda Accord door panel. First, locate the small plastic cover behind the interior door handle and carefully pry it off to reveal a screw. Remove this screw. Next, open the armrest storage compartment and remove the screw found inside. Then, gently pry up the power window switch panel, disconnect its electrical connector, and set it aside. You will find 2 more screws underneath this panel. Remove them. With the screws removed, you can now carefully separate the door handle assembly from the panel. You'll see 2 cables attached, one for the door release and one for the lock. Unclip both of these cables from their respective housings. Make sure all other electrical connectors, such as those for the side mirror controls or speakers, are also disconnected before proceeding. Double-check for any overlooked clips or fasteners. Now, using a plastic trim removal tool, begin to gently pry the door panel away from the door frame, starting from the bottom edge. Work your way around the entire perimeter, releasing all the plastic clips that hold the panel in place. Once all clips are disengaged, lift the entire door panel straight up. This action will unhook it from the window channel at the top. Carefully pull the panel away from the door. To reinstall the door panel, reverse the steps. First, align the top edge of the panel with the window channel and ensure it seats correctly. Then, firmly press the panel back onto the door frame, making sure all the plastic clips snap securely into place. Reconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cables. Before replacing all screws, test the window, lock, and door handle functions to ensure everything works properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.